Hello viewers, my name is Enoabassi Essien. I am one of the developers at Recallify Team Techno, and I'm here to demonstrate our application, its core features and components. Firstly, what is Recallify? Recallify is a productivity application for individuals in the early stages of traumatic brain injury. We hope to provide our users with cognitive rehabilitation exercises backed by extensive research to aid in the ongoing treatment provided by a medical team. The features and components we have in our application are not a bunch, but do work together to aid in improving our users' treatment. We have an extensive monitoring system which allows users to be connected with their guardians, allowing the guardian to monitor the progress of the user through various infographics and visuals. The application consists of 5 core features which are conversation summary, daily diary, moment snap, side quest, and think fast. The sub-features we provide are a dashboard, settings page, activity log feed, and progress reports. Let's begin the demonstration, shall we? The login page allows the user to log in with their email address and password. Once done, we check if the user is a TBI or Guardian user, and they will be prompted to their respective dashboards. For this demonstration, we already created the test user, which is filled with a lot of data, and we can use that to demonstrate our application's features and components. So I'm just going to log in right here. So right now, as you can see, we are landed in the dashboard. The dashboard is the hub of all reports related to the user and provides relevant information about the progress and events that have occurred. The dashboard consists of the latest activity, Think Fast progress report, and SideQuest progress report. The latest activity is the current activity, which has been posted from the daily activity. I shall discuss on that later on. The Think Fast and SideQuest progress reports are a 6 days completed task analysis. Based on how they perform in each task, we shall be given infographics and visuals in the dashboard. Now let's talk about daily diary to further understand how the dashboard works. So daily diary works just like how a normal diary would. So if you're someone who frequently uses a diary, you know you have to have the date, the time, the title of the topic, as well as description or maybe a location. But for daily diary, we've simplified it into a smaller procedure where the user takes a photo or an event and puts in the location, and we record the time and the date of that event or activity. This helps the user remember or recall places that they've been or events that have happened around them. So we shall proceed to how you can create an activity. By creating an activity, we want to click on the create icon, and you have 3 options: summarize conversations, daily activity, and moment snap. My colleague Ridinbal will explain further on summarized conversation, but for this demonstration, we shall be looking into daily activity and moment snap. Daily activity. So as you can see, daily activity is actually a smart diary which uses the placeholder of a previous activity of a previous moment snap. So this encourages our user to take more real-time event photographs through Moment Snap, and we can use that to create an activity. But in the meanwhile, I'll show you how an activity is being created through diary activity. So all we can do is just delete our placeholder, add an image, and we're just going to pick a random image from the image directory, and then we're going to add in a location. So where's this place? This is the gym. Academic City, Dubai. And then we click on post, and yeah, so as you can see, our post is being created on the feed, the gym, Academic City, Dubai. And if we go back to our dashboard, it displays as our latest activity. So now let's create a moment snap. So like I said, a moment snap is an activity that is based on real time. So it allows us to capture what is happening in the moment. So right now, as you can see, I am recording this live from my developer office. So I'm just going to create a moment of this. And here we have a snap preview displaying how the image is going to look like. So we click on create an activity, and here we just give the same thing, place, city and country. So place, my dev office, city, academic city, place, Dubai. We post this activity. As you can see, our moment snap has been added to the daily activity feed. And if we go to our dashboard, it's being displayed as our latest activity. So I was last seen at my dev office at Academic City. Moving on.
Okay, so this is where the users can see their summarized conversations. As of now, there aren't many. So what we can do is we can click create button here and then click summarize conversations, and they'll be directed to a page where they can see where they can start recording their conversation they have with people. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna click start recording. Hi, this is testing for CS8321. Hopefully this is going to work properly. I'll click stop recording. Now since I'm screen recording it, this action of start and stop recording button won't show properly. It won't work properly because of the screen recording software, but so I had to pause the screen recording software to do the recording. So now I finished the recording and I've typed the name of the person who I talked to. Now I can click done. Now you can see here the conversation is being summarized. It'll take up to 40 seconds to get the summarization done. So let's wait and see the output of it. So you can see here you got a message of saved successfully, and as you can see here, the last message, which is at 9:17 a.m., is the message written as I talked to Alex, and here is a summarized conversation. This is a testing for CS. So you can see here how this got summarized properly. So this is an example of how the conversations get summarized. Thank you. Now we'll move on to side quest.
We're going to explore side quest. Side quest is a recalling exercise based on the daily activity. So the activities or events that have happened for the day, we use that to display a series of questions to the user to test if they were able to recall events that have happened over a period of time. So let's just play a short game. So let's play a short game. So as that loaded up, we're being timed. So what is this place? This is the gym. So I have to be really quick. The gym, academic. Oh, I'm almost out of time. So yeah, it allows you to be able to it forces you to recall deep down. So when you run out of time, it gives you a feedback. Time is up. So too bad. Go to next. Let's try and answer this one as quickly as possible. This is easy. My dev office, academic city, Dubai. Click on OK. Yes, we got the answer correct. Next, as you can see, because we only made two activities for the day, so we only prompted two questions. But the more activities we make, the more questions we get, and there's a limit to it, so we do not have an infinite flow of questions. So just to ensure that the user can recall things that events that have happened over a period of time. We click on see results. I wasn't able to answer the first question because I ran out of time. Next, I got the second question correctly, and we click on finish, view results. We can filter through different dates for different results, but I'm just going to filter in for today. And then, as you can see, it shows us the correct answer and the answer that we put in. In this case, I ran out of time, so I was not able to answer this question. Next one, I was able to answer it, and we click on finish. We're just going to exit the view results tab. We can view the analysis of a day, so we're just going to view the analysis for today. Filter, as you can see, we have a today score of 50%, and we just need one more score to reach our daily target. We click on done, and that is side quest. Let's move on to think fast. So think fast is more of recalling infographics or trying to remember the differences between several objects or prompts. So what we're going to be doing is prompting the user with different questions based on visuals and test if they can recall various differences between each object. So we're going to play. So now we're just going to read the rules. Once we're done reading and we scroll down, we click on play game. So in this page, what we're doing is to load our game or load the game stage. So right now, as you can see, we're being prompted with several images, and the timer is counting down for us to be able to recall all the differences in the image and prepare ourselves for the questions to come ahead. Okay, let's begin. What is the color of the third person's jacket? I think it was blue. We got that correct. Was the third person holding, what was the third person holding? I think it was nothing. Correct. What is the color of the third person's pants? I think it was yellow. Oh no, it's silver. Next, what was the second character holding? Nothing. What is the color of the inside t-shirt of the third person? I think it was white. Yes. As you can see, congratulations, you have answered all the questions. Do you want to see the results? Yeah. So let's see the results. So it displays us a feedback of the correct answer and the answer we selected. So we click on next. This is the next question. Next question. What is the color of the third person's pants? As you can see, the correct answer is silver, but we selected yellow. Next. Correct answer, nothing. Your correct answer, nothing. And we move on. Once we are done, we click on finish, and we are done with the view analysis. And if you go back to your dashboard, you can see the infograph of what's today's date, 31st. So we're able to answer 4 questions correctly. On the 26th, we're able to answer 10 questions correctly. And then for side quests, we're only able to answer 1 question correctly. And on the 26th, we're able to answer 2 questions correctly. So yeah, as you can see, the dashboard is relaying all the progress of our completed tasks to see if we're either improving. And if we go to our settings page, we have the account settings, privacy and security, terms and condition, customer care. If we go to our account settings, we have the first name, last name, email, and PIN. So I shall explain what the PIN is for. The PIN is used to connect a TBI account to a Guardian account so that the Guardian can monitor the progress of the TBI it's connected to. So when a Guardian creates an account, they have the option of putting in a TBI email and the PIN, which validates and then gets connected. We're going back, our privacy and security, terms and conditions, customer care that contains our FAQs and contacts. Our FAQs, all the necessary questions and answers that you might want to know about Recallify and its application. So let's explore more on the daily diary. Like I said, you have the options to filter other dates as well. So if we click on the filter button, and let's say we filter for 29th, let's see if we had any records for 29th. Filter, as you can see here, we were at the Banter Club there, under the table, Sports Park, the Escate. We filter, we can filter for 26th. So yeah, we were at the library at Myriad. We were also at Myriad. Study room again, study room. So it becomes addictive when you know how to use the application, as well as how the features help you in recalling places that you visited and events that have happened. Thank you so much for listening. I'll be logging out right now. This is the demonstration of Recallify, and we hope to see you as part of a user, or we hope to see you helping someone who needs the app later in future. Thank you.